Semi-structured data is a crucial category in data analytics. It sits right between highly organized structured data, like a relational database, and completely unorganized unstructured data, such as a massive block of plain text. In simple terms, it's data that doesn't need a rigid, fixed schema, but it still contains tags or markers that organize the information, enforce a hierarchy, and make it much easier to analyze than raw text. There are three main things to remember. First, it has no fixed schema. Data entries can have different attributes. Second, it's self-describing, meaning it contains tags or keys that describe its own content. And third, it has a hierarchical structure. This allows for nested and complex relationships, which is a major benefit in modern data environments. The most common formats are JSON and XML. First, JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation. It's the standard for web service APIs. It uses key-value pairs. For example, a customer record in JSON might show a list of nested orders. Notice that one order could have an optional field, like a discount tag, while another doesn't. This flexibility is the defining feature. Second, XML, or Extensible Markup Language. It uses tags to define elements. Think of a product record where a details tag nests both a color and a weight. The tags clearly organize the data. And a final real-world example is log files. A single log entry mixes a structured timestamp and severity level with an unstructured free text message. This hybrid nature is classic semi-structured data. Semi-structured data is essential for analyzing things like web performance, IoT sensor data, and integrating diverse sources, the backbone of today's big data landscape.